Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram login error. Please wait a few minutes before you try again. If you're using Instagram and you're trying to log in with your Instagram account but you're facing the issue that you see a pop-up error, please try again a few minutes before you try again. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So basically it happens when you have too many attempted to log in with your Instagram account, or sometimes it might be a network issue or any apps issue. So you can easily fix that by waiting or disconnecting and reconnecting with your network. So now to do that, you have to scroll down the control center. You have to make sure that you have the strongest and a stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Go back from here, open the settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here, open your app store, search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you have up to date or latest version of your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. Then go back and you have to retry to log in with your account and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, so what you can try, you have to open the settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app here, and you have to try to offload your app. And after offloading, you have to reinstall your app, and after reinstallation, it will fix if there will be any bug or any malware with your Instagram app. It will be fixing this step, and after that, you will not get the issue again. If you are still facing the same issue, so it might be a server error, you just have to wait for almost 1 or 2 hours, and after that, you will be able to log in with your account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.